Hey folks, there's been a couple of questions about the assignments for this week. What I wanted to do is just to show you pretty directly what's going on here. So spring break was canceled, kind of gave me an extra week to kind of have to deal with for the class. So what I opted to do was to have the Excel charts and graphs assignment, which is due between or scheduled for March 1st through March 14th. It's listed here, Excel charts and graphs. So if we click on that one and we begin, what you'll notice, there's a whole bunch of words, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so let me just tell you how this is going to work. So if you go down to the bottom here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different assignments. The tutorial assignment, which is listed here, Excel 4 tutorial.pdf, that's the basic assignment. It gives you all of the steps listed out in very, 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 very ultra extreme detailed format. Like imagine if somebody taught you how to make ramen and they said, okay, pick up your right hand and move it 6 inches to the left and pick up the pot and raise it 4 inches and move it to the left under the faucet, and then with your opposite hand while continuing to hold the pot you turn on the water until it reaches the 4-cup level. It's kind of ridiculously specific, but that's the reason for this Excel 4 tutorial, is to prepare you so that you can complete the review assignment. The review assignment is much, much, much less detailed, but you're going to build a similar sort of assignment using kind of a normal amount of instruction. There is a video that exists to accompany the Excel 4 tutorial. So if you're having difficulty with that, it's step by step. It'll take you through the entire thing. Okay, so what are the other two files for? This one that I've got listed here, the data files for Excel 4 tutorial, they give you a starter data file that you can use. Notice that it's a zip file, so once you download it, you're going to have to right-click and unzip it. If you're trying to do this assignment on a Macintosh, it may or may not be a very simple task, so do so at your own risk. You've got plenty of time to find a Windows computer somewhere at this point. The data files for the Excel 4 review, similar, but they accompany the Excel 4 review.pdf file. So 2 assignments, 2 weeks, 2 sets of data files. So if you get confused, please do reach out to me. I would not recommend waiting until the last minute. If you are an Excel expert, this may be a very dreadfully simple couple of weeks activities for you. If you are not an Excel expert and have not ever taken an Excel class before, even though you might use Excel on a daily basis, you should get started on this right away so you understand the level of complexity of this assignment. Oftentimes students wait until the last minute and then I can't help you much. So start early and let me know if you need help with anything. I think once we get to March 14, I probably won't be doing too much assisting, but please do definitely check. Let's go back. Do check the videos as well. So I've got the link here for the there's multiple videos in Excel, but I think you'll find all of them pretty helpful. The one that'll be particularly helpful is the video that steps you through this entire process. Okay, thanks.